Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Hank, and Hank writes from Sparta, New Jersey. And Hank writes, "We just bought a fixer-upper home. There's lots of renovation work that needs to be done. What do you think we should do now versus waiting until spring?" Good question, Hank. During winter in colder climates, there's certain projects, large-scale renovation projects and exterior projects that ideally you should wait until the weather's warmer to take on, because among other things, the materials could be damaged. It can create safety hazards, and it may expose your home to the elements. So what I'm going to do is give you 3 home renovation projects that you should avoid, if possible, doing in the wintertime. And the first is roof installation. So when you try to put in a roof during the winter in cold weather, it can damage materials, and you're also exposing your home to the elements when it's cold out. So it's ideally better to do before or after winter. Second home renovation project to avoid during the winter time in colder areas is siding installation. So when you try to install siding in the winter, freezing or colder temperatures causes the siding to contract. And so if you try to put it in or install it during the wintertime, it may affect the fit and be a problem later on when it expands when the weather gets warmer. And the third home renovation project that ideally you should avoid during the wintertime is window replacement. So caulking and other materials often won't set or cure correctly in the wintertime when it's cold. And of course the process also exposes your home to the elements. And it's just best done before or after the winter when it's warmer out. So thanks for your question, Hank. For more real estate tips and information, visit my blog at geraldlucas.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.